We are ANV. If you're an NL53 owner, you'll be familiar with the open text-based format in which the Rion sound and vibration measurement data is stored, meaning that you can open your data in simple text apps or import into Microsoft Excel without any proprietary software. If you've purchased the NX-43RT octave and 1/3 octave analysis option for your NL53, you'll have noticed that the auto LEQ data is stored in regimented chunks for each measurement period, which is necessary because of the wide variety of sound level indices that can be measured. For those less savvy with Excel, these chunks might be difficult to work with, so ANV has created the RT Transformer app. Just navigate to the Rion data file you wish to transform. Click Convert, and an Excel file will be saved next to your data file with all your time-stamped data presented in columns.